Greetings, traders. My name is Samuel, teaching you for the land of the rising sun. I want to bring you what I do every week. Technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave theory. If it is the first time you are watching my video, I want to let you know that I also offer mentorship. So if you want to learn from me, if you watch my videos and you want to have the knowledge I have to do what I do, contact me with the phone number and the link you can see here. This phone number is on WhatsApp. This phone number is also on Telegram. Then I have 2 Telegram groups, free. Then one is for students. I have select group for students. Excuse me. The best knowledge you can have in forex is Elliott Wave, because you can analyze anything, be it forex, crypto, stock, indices, commodities, whatever. Once you look at the chart, you know what needs to do. Okay, having said that, let's dive into the business of the day. Let's start with DXY as we do all the time. Remember DXY, my bias that the price is going down. We're going to go down maybe to 95, 94, 95 before the price begins to go about this daily chart. Let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, the sale have been confirmed, though it doesn't move fast. But there's what we call leading diagonal. Maybe it's trying to make a leading diagonal. Whatever that is happening, as long as we did not see the price close above here, we are going down. Maybe it can come here and go down. It may even begin to go down from here. The bottom line is that this is no time to buy DXY. That's the bottom line, because the sale is confirmed. USD card, the same thing. USD card is selling because let me show you daily. This chart is what I'm looking at. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I'm looking at. So even if the lower time frame goes up a little, it will still go down to complete the structure. But I don't see it coming up again. So whatever. Meanwhile, here is our sell confirmation anyway. Here is sell confirmation. In as much that we expect sell, we don't sell or buy blindly. We have confirmation zones. So until it goes below this place, this line sells for as confirmation. This is the ultimate sell level confirmation. So that's for USD card. 1 hour, this can be with 1, maybe with 2 can make WXY, or maybe bigger ABC. This with 2 can come here, but it doesn't matter whether it make expanding flats, running flats, as long as it doesn't go above this place. This may with 1. So that's for USD card. USD chef. USD chef, the same thing. Whatever is happening here, let me go to daily. I'm expecting this market to, at least either it makes a new low or it will just give us correction, because this can be the beginning of a new wave. This can be the bottom. If this is the bottom, it means that what we have here is leading diagonal. You can see 1. Let me change the color. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be leading diagonal, but it's too early to say until if we get an A, B, C, then this is the leading diagonal. But if you get a sharp move, then it will give us a new low. That's for, let me go to 4 hours. So I'm looking for sell. Once I get price below this zone, then I will sell. Meanwhile, sell can be seen in 1 hour time frame, but I can't go there now. if you are a student, I want you to sell that. We can get a setup around here or upper here. But to be on safe side, let it confirm on 4 hours. Okay. So let's move. USD. USD is buying. It have to copy this bigger A, B, C. And the least zone I expect is between 1.14 to 1.1516. It can go higher. But for now, let's target 1.15, 1.116. So going over to 4 hours, the buying have been confirmed. You can see the channel have been broken, which is one of the ways to confirm the buying. Secondly, if you go down to 1 hour, you can count 5 waves here. So what I'm looking for is an ABC, which will likely see the price dropping down to 1.077, 1.075. So here is our buy zone, but not the most that we can reach here. It can truncate. So, but the bottom line is that we are not going lower than this. If you go lower than this, then I will change the account. But for now, here is my stop loss. I'm looking for this drop to buy. Pounds USD, the same situation. I want to sell pounds USD before I buy. Pounds USD somehow being complex, more complex than I expected. Pounds USD, before this drop, I expected to go somewhere higher before dropping, but the way it is dropping shows that it is making sideways, which means it is preparing to go up again. I don't want to go to daily chart again because sometimes it won't play out. This daily chart is showing to be ABC, but the way it is dropping, I don't think it's gonna happen because wave B will always look like wave A. You see how wave A was fast, but this wave here is going kind of sideways. So we must get down here. Why I'm saying this because I have said in my videos that I expect this. Now, why am I saying it again? That I expect something that it doesn't mean it must happen. Nobody controls the market. That's why it's called forecast. So that you won't say that I said it will happen. I said I expect it to happen. And now that I've seen the reason that it may no longer happen, then I'm telling you again, it will likely not happen. So if you are watching my video, don't miss any week to be updated. Remember to 4 hours. As I said earlier, this is sideways. This is sideways market. You can see sideways. So after that, the market will go up again. So, but I'm expecting this one to play out. So you can go down to 1 hour. If it comes to this zone, I will buy from this zone. But if it doesn't come to this, that is, I mean, between 1.271 to 1.275. I'll be glad if it comes here because I will buy right inside here. I will look for set up on 1 hour inside here and the sell. Okay. AUD USD is also a buy market. Last week, I said we are now buying. So now 2 things. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. Now 2 things is involved for AUD USD. We will likely get a simple correction, which we see as just an ABC. Here is a buy zone. Here is a buy zone. Now, can this happen? Not a must, but this is certainly this will happen. Certainly it will happen, but this may not happen. Now, why am I saying this? Even if you buy from here, here will be a stop loss because this can happen. Now, how do you know that this will happen? I know whether that's what I will see, then I know that it will happen. That I can't tell you here. But mind you, we may get WXY before we begin to buy ultimately. So let's go to using the USD. USD USD is stronger than AUD USD. Meanwhile, the daily charts shows that we will likely have an ABC. We can see this can be an ABC, which means if the ABC will play out, it means we're gonna sell from here before we buy. Okay, so but you know, from lower time frame we go to higher time frame. Sometimes from higher time frame we go down to lower time frame. So let's go to 4 hours. So know what 4 hours is telling us something. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is typical of wave A. Then this is ABC, which is typical of wave. This is A, B, C, and these 5 waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I get sell confirmation, certainly this will happen. So be mindful of that. Or this can be our A, B, C, then A, B, C, then A, B, C, which means W, X, Y. It's possible. Then this will be wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, then it will go up. Okay. JP225. Okay, I think daily will be good for this one. Okay, since we bought from here, it has been going up, 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 up. Though I stopped buying from here. I stopped here. I stopped buying from here. I didn't buy all this because I expected a bigger correction, something like this, to buy. It didn't happen. So, you know, in market, sometimes you miss, sometimes you catch. What's the more important? Don't lose. Even if you lose more. Don't lose carelessly. I always avoid losing carelessly. So now, what next? What next that I'm waiting for correction to start, because I know when it will start, it will go very deep. But now it's still making little correction up, little correction up. So when it will start, it won't announce it to you. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY is still going up slowly. Remember last week, I said I'm looking for sell. That if this channel breaks, I will sell. But it didn't break. It keeps going up. I'm still waiting for sell. You know, we may even get one more up. We may even get one more up, something like this. Then I will continue to wait for the break of channel to sell. Don't be in a haste. Don't sell blindly. Don't buy blindly. Have your sell or buy confirmation. It's important. Okay. Whether it have ended here, I don't know. The market will show it. By the way, if you break the channel, then I will know. Let's continue. USDJPY. Now let me say something. Yen pays will surprise many. You woke up one day, you see yen pays moved down 500 pips, 700 pips, 400 pips, 1,000 pips. I have seen the sign. The way it is going, it's going to happen. So that now, let's keep watching. So this one, pounds USD. Okay, let me go down to 1 hour on this. Sorry, yen USDJPY. We may get a move higher, but it has entered the reversal zone. Even if it goes higher, I will not buy. It may go higher. I'm waiting for sell setup. Simple. Don't know what to explain here. I'm waiting for sell setup to happen. Then I'll begin to sell. Then now here is our sell zone. It's have to break this level 148.8. but there is a order, there is a sell setup up here I'm looking for. That I can't explain it here because here is not a lesson class. Pounds JPY. Yen pays the same thing. You know, I expect it to sell last week, and I'm waiting for sell confirmation. It didn't confirm. It's still going up. Now this setup have moved away from here. It's now somewhere here. Okay, but anyway, for those who don't have experience, let me leave it here, because here needed somebody who can actually know what is happening to sell from here. But once it goes below this place, it's now selling. Good. Good. Let me go to 4 hours. Gold and silver, as I said, okay, I explained it on my Telegram channel that it's time to be very careful on silver and gold. Time to be very careful on silver and gold. And I said it's better not to trade. It's better to miss the trade than to lose the trade. Gold, my bias that is gold and silver is still going down, but the price action is a kind of playing pranks. So to me, I'm still looking for either this move or at least somewhere here. So to me, gold has not finished selling. Even if it won't make a new low, at least it will make deep correction before continue buying. Okay, so let me go to 1 hour. I won't waste time here. Now, gold made what we called, let me label it. This is what we call A, B, C, D, E, expanding triangle. If you haven't seen it before, here is expanding triangle on gold. And this is A, B, C. Now, why do I say that even if it won't go all-time low, it can drop to this zone, this place? It's simple. This can equally be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then to give us A, B, C, and begin to buy. Okay, but if this is the normal A, B, C, it will give us a new low. This is the 2 bias we have on gold. Then going to silver. Silver is also anyway, you know, I told my subscribers on Telegram that my bias on gold is sell, but my bias on silver is buy. This is why I say it. I see this pattern we play out. It has played out. Now, and I also said that gold and silver hadn't go part ways. They hadn't go part ways. So that's why you must be careful. This looks like an ending diagonal. But now let me show you something else. Let me show something else. Why you should be very careful on gold and silver. This can be with A, with B, with C. Then this is B with A, with B, with C. Then it becomes W, X, then we get Y. So this thing we see as any diagonal may not be any diagonal. Remember, all these lines we see us place. Market doesn't see our line. It is us that see it. The market doesn't see it. So don't think that market will respect the line. They don't know that your line exists. So this can be the first move, second move, third move. So you can see silver going down to below 20 again. So that's why we need to be very, very careful about silver and gold. So it's better don't trade it, or if you trade, you commit a little money. That is, you reduce your loss size. In case you lose it, you lose small. But something, the shortest trade I can see here is that this is like maybe with 1 or with N, then we likely get this move. So this move is likely to happen, which means this X may even be here before going down. But if the price goes above this place, we forget about going down. But as long as this place is consigned, 24.5 remains unbroken. We can go down below 20 on silver. I think it's well explained. So you see, this doesn't mean it will happen. It may end up somewhere here and begin to go down again. Okay, so this is my first bias. My second bias is that it will go down somewhere from here, go down. So that's for silver. Platinum. Platinum, after this draw, I expected it to move fast. I expected it to give me something like this. Something like this from here. But it is making double correction. So we likely see this before seeing something like this happen from here. And you know, gold, silver, platinum, they always go to the same. So if silver and gold will drop, this will certainly drop. Okay, so US oil. Last week I said that, let me zoom this chart. I said that as long as this place, okay, let me go down to 1 hour. I said as long as this place remains intact, that this is wave 1, and this is wave that time it was here. Then it went up again. I still see this as wave 2 until it goes above 79.25. Then I will know that it is no longer wave 1, wave 2, and so on. So, but now we have gotten one confirmation. This is 1 hour confirmation for gold. Sorry, for oil. This is a sell confirmation for oil. The main one will be here for 4 hours, because 1 hour it can still go up, but if it goes below this zone as conversion zone, it will likely not go up again, because we have 3 zones. This is number 1. This channel is number 2. So across both of them, then this will likely break, because we may get this type of move. We may get maybe to go small, give us A, B, C, and begin to sell. So oil is sell for me. NASDAQ. This is the last time I said we are buying from this zone. Now the buying have been it's bought. And the question is, where are we heading to? Okay, last week I said we are heading somewhere 18.5 and above, and it seems it's going there. Let's go down to 4 hours again. And this, okay, let me go to 1 hour. They are still buying opportunity in this trading, but I don't know. You need to know. You need to know correction well before you can buy it, because what I'm expecting is that you may get a kind of A, B, C, then it buy again. I don't know whether it will be deep, because it can happen just here, A, B, C, and buy, or it will be deep. I don't know. I don't see tomorrow, so I'm just telling you what 2 things that will happen, either from here or from here. Okay, that's for NASDAQ, US 100, SP 500. I'm also expecting it to begin to drop. So after this move, Where it will end, I don't know yet. When the price was here, I expected, I didn't buy it because I was looking for a normal A, B, C to buy. It didn't give me that, so I forgot about it. Sometimes the market won't give you what you are looking for. Then you leave it until you see what you are looking for, because now this is a nice trade. It gives me a perfect correction. Then I bought it, I close it, I buy again. I stop here. This is where I stopped. Since the market I didn't buy again because I'm looking for a normal correction, and it hasn't happened. Okay, so let's continue. Here starting. Here starting again. Here again, I expected the market to give me, I didn't buy it, but I wanted to see A, B, C somewhere here before I buy. It didn't give me that. Rather, it went up here and do this. I didn't buy it. I saw it, but I didn't buy it because by that time I have enough open positions before I saw this. So don't overtrade. I don't overtrade. You can see 10 setups. You pick only two or two, three, or one is okay. Because why? Something can happen in the market, everything begin to go against you. Have that in mind. A news can come out, things will change drastically. So always be cautious of safeguarding your capital. Okay, so now you start. I'm looking for you to give me a higher move. Just something like this. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Before we get this, either we get this or we get a move again before getting this. But I think if we get this, we're gonna get this. As the day goes on, we know the one we are getting. This is another typical one. I'm waiting for it to give me setup. It didn't give me, it continues to buy. So I didn't sell because no confirmation. I don't trade without confirmation. Before I trade, I'll confirm what I'm trading. So that's how to trade safely. You don't trade what you think will happen. You trade what you see happening. Okay. Now, selling confirmation have moved. For now, it will be here. But meanwhile, we're gonna get this is like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, maybe A, B, C, wave 4, wave 5 before it can sell. Okay. I think that's the end of the. Okay, Dow. The same thing is happening on Dow. Expect some move again before it will begin to drop. Anyway, the break of this channel, once this channel is broken properly, then we look for sell. Okay, now I'll go to Bitcoin because I can't make 2 videos today. Let me go to coin. Let me go to cryptos. Cryptos. Well, slow network. My network is slow. Pardon me. But I don't know why it's taking time to load. What's happening? Last time I came here, this is what I show you. Last time I came here, I said we're gonna come to this zone. I don't know. In fact, this time around, cryptos doesn't require much talk. This is Web3 for sure, or maybe it's still going up. Web3 might not have finished. So this can still be part of Web3. So now Bitcoin can only make a little drop, maybe this type of move, and go up again. Now Bitcoin haven't to begin selling. When it begin to sell, I will know. For now, whether it will do this and go up, or it will do this, maybe 50,000, 49,000, 48,000, and go up again. Now it's going to 53,000 before it begin to drop gradually. Now it's 51,100. So it may drop a little further, then go up again. We are in a bullish market. So if you're afraid of the market, you'll be watching all others. They are making money. And one of the reasons I offer training is that people always come to me to give signal. Then I said that no, I'd rather teach you how to spot trading by yourself than giving you a signal. So I prefer to teach people how to see it by themselves. So that's why I started training class. Before, normally I just analyze and go, but people begin to ask for signal. I say no, rather I teach you how to see it. So you can join my class, you'll be able to begin to spot the market by yourself. Okay, so I think Ethereum. Let me look for Ethereum as well. Because the two will always lead the market. Ethereum, you can see, is equally going up. It's equally going up. So what are you looking for on Ethereum? A little pullback. Okay, let me do something. Ethereum, maybe we get a pullback towards this zone. It will go back again. Or maybe it will go up before doing this and go up again. So right now, cryptos are buying. Ethereum get to 3,000 before dropping. How long will it drop? I don't know. But I'm seeing sign of pulling back or correction. So I think I've ended the video here. Please like, share, subscribe. Ask questions, share with your friends, those who would like to also have the knowledge. Share it with them, and subscribe. Join my Telegram channel. It is two. One is where I post only. Two is the second one is for interaction. The second one, you can share your chats, but don't make any advert. If you make any adverts, I will remove you. You can share your chat for others to see. You can ask your questions on the interactive one. The other one is exclusive for me to post. Then the third one is for the students. Thank you, and God bless you.